When you notice how much water we consume every single day, it's clear that having fresh, clean, nutrient-rich water is an absolute necessity. You can spend hundreds of dollars on water bottles, but that gets expensive, and it's terrible for the environment. So you try a water filter, but the more research you do, the more you realize that most water filters are either expensive or ineffective. That's why we created Aquatella, the most powerful and affordable countertop water filtration device ever. Aquatella is a 4-stage countertop or under-the-sink water filter that removes over 99% of unhealthy and dangerous contaminants and toxins from our tap water. So, what makes Aquatella so much better? First is our 4-stage filter. Stage 1 uses a micro high-quality sediment filter that removes small particles such as dust, dirt, rust, and other particles that are 15 times smaller than a grain of sand. Stage 2 is an activated carbon filter that removes pesticides, formaldehyde, chlorine, heavy metals, and odors. In Stage 3, our nanomembrane filter removes a wide range of waterborne contaminants, including bacteria, macromolecules, colloids, and microsediment. And lastly, our carbon finishing filter enhances the fresh taste of water by removing dissolved gases, residual chlorine, pesticides, heavy metals, organic pollutants, and odors through a high-quality granular activated bituminous filter. Additionally, we've included an optional fluoride filter that upgrades your Stage 2 filter to remove 95% of fluorides, so you can enjoy your water fluoride-free. Unlike traditional water filters, Aquatella lasts. Aquatella was built to handle the nastiest tap water and can filter up to 8,000 gallons before needing to be replaced. That's 200 times more than a Brita filter. Aquatella is easy to install and can also be mounted under your sink using a separate spout, so you can have fresh, clean water without losing precious counter space. And the final thing that makes Aquatella truly special, we care. We are on a mission to help you lead a healthier lifestyle starting from within. From your morning coffee to your post-workout shake, water is at the root of our health, and it should never be compromised. At Aquatella, we're committed to providing you the purest, freshest, most delicious drinking water imaginable. Aquatella. Let's make a better, healthier world together.
May I offer you both some Tern water?
We built the Smart Faucet to be the first smart water filter in the home. And we did that because at Tern, our mission is to build the tools to provide people with smart, sustainable, and healthy water. And we don't just stop there. In a matter of fact, within this campaign, 5% of all proceeds is going to go to help provide healthy water to people all across the United States. And that's a mission we plan on continuing. So it's your turn for smart, sustainable, and healthy water. Thank you.
In most cases, tap water tastes bad due to rust, iron, and high limescale levels. This is why we developed DrinkPure Home. You can easily attach it to every faucet.
In collaboration with the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, we have developed a patented product. Thanks to our own high-performance membrane, DrinkPure Home is the only water filter which removes taste, chlorine, and also takes care of bacteria. The best about DrinkPure Home is that you don't have to buy an entire filter again. You can replace your filter cartridge yourself. It's that simple. You can filter up to 500 liters. Imagine how much time and money you can save. if you don't have to buy and carry all these plastic bottles. Do something good for your environment and save some money.
So previously back home in Singapore, I used to boil the water to remove the bacteria from the water. And now with DrinkPure Home, it's a lot more convenient because I just have to turn on the tap and there I go, I get clean and pure drinking water straight out from the tap. Because you are what you eat and you drink. So having clean water is very important to me.
I spend a lot of my time on business trips and have a very active lifestyle. DrinkPure Home gives me the flexibility I need and I can take it wherever I go. It is very easy to fix. DrinkPure Home allows me to have tasty and safe water.
I just don't like the taste of the tap water in our area. I'm really happy to have DrinkPure Home because it protects my family and I don't have to carry all this expensive plastic bottles.
We all know what it's like to wait for hot water at the tap. But what if hot water came out instantly? Introducing XpressHot by Ream Labs, the on-demand filtered hot water dispenser that provides instant, near-boiling water for making hot beverages, hot cereal, instant soup, and simplifying cleaning chores. XpressHot uses advanced water heating technology, so you can have near-boiling water on demand, right from your tap.
Hot water on demand, right at the tap, simplifies so many tasks in the kitchen, saving us time and energy.
XpressHot works by connecting to your existing cold water connection via a simple connector. Power comes from a standard wall outlet.
I hate waiting for water to boil on the stove. Now I've got instant near boiling hot water on tap, which I can use right away for cooking.
And cleaning.
And cleaning.
Because XpressHot heats water to near boiling temperatures, it saves time on cooking and makes the perfect cup of tea or bowl of hot cereal in a flash. No longer are you wasting time filling pots and heating normal tap water to a boil. With XpressHot, you can set the instant hot water temperature from 172.5 degrees up to 208 degrees Fahrenheit, which takes care of on-demand cooking. Take your soaking pots to the next level, as XpressHot is perfect for loosening that stuck-on grime from your dishes, pots, and pans. Now sanitizing your dishes and utensils is a breeze.
Installing and setting up was so easy. It was literally twist, plug, and go.
With hot water on demand, XpressHot helps you reduce water usage since hot water no longer has to run through your entire pipe system to get hot at the tap.
The display really helps me dial in the settings I need, whether I'm making some tea, coffee, or doing some cleaning.
Designed to be safe and durable, XpressHot is lead-free, CE certified, and features a 2-step child safety lock. Finally, the power of hot water is instantly available on demand at the tap without waste or waiting.
It's so easy to get the hot water we need.
This one fixture has made so many tasks easier for our household.
Support our campaign for XpressHot by Ream Labs.
Hi, my name is Cody Sardine. I'm an architect and I'm passionate about bringing clean drinking water to the world. The world is facing droughts, bacteria outbreak, just poor infrastructure. Our groundwater is just contaminated or depleted, and we need to find a new way to provide drinking water to people around the world who really need it. Carpure is a water dispenser that can make up to 10 liters per day of drinking water straight from the air. It has 9.2 pH, alkaline, and an alkaline environment can reduce the acidity in your body, and most bacteria can't live in an alkaline environment. It's one of the best water qualities that you'll find anywhere. I grew up in a town where we had bacteria in our well for 10 years, and it really affected my family's health. We started purchasing bottled water, and we never thought that we'd be the family to just have bottled water in our home. By using Carpure, you'll reduce the amount of plastic water bottles that you use in your home. Carpure uses something called a desiccant. It's like a volcanic rock, and it naturally can capture water from the air. There's other technologies out there that use refrigerants, like what's in your refrigerator, to cool the air, and it's really, really bad for the environment, and it's just really clunky and loud, and it's not a very practical solution for your home. The technology that we have in Carpure is silent, and it's naturally better for the environment because it's a natural component. It's a water dispenser, a really powerful air purifier, and also a strong dehumidifier, all packaged into one really beautifully designed product. As an architect, design is really important to me, and when designing Carpure, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just something that was functional, but also practical and would fit right into your home, and it'd be something your kids would love, that your guests would love, and it's something you could be proud of. Carpure is really, really simple to use. You don't need a water line, you simply just plug it in and it'll make up to 10 liters per day. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can do that. If you want to leave it where it is, you can also do that. So Carpure is for anyone who just really wants to know that their drinking water is safe. People who have bacteria in their well, who live in a drought-stricken area, or just have really, really bad city water that they just can't stand. People who have seen this are just super excited to understand that this isn't a science fiction technology, it's a real thing, and that we can bring local drinking water to people all over the world right in their home. We've worked really, really hard to get this out there, and we're just super excited that you guys are excited about what we're doing. Thank you for helping us on our mission to bring clean drinking water to the world. Please share this campaign to help us get the word out. From everyone at Car Water, thank you so much.
People around the world are drinking more and more bottled water as they don't like the taste of tap water and worry about the potential health impact. This year alone, 480 billion bottles will be consumed and less than 7% of these get recycled. The rest end up in landfills, nature, rivers, and eventually the oceans. This is catastrophic for our environment and a waste of money for consumers. At Tap Water, we decided there has to be a better way. So we spent 3 years researching existing water filtering technologies. And we came up with TAPP, a revolutionary water filter system for the kitchen tap. Last year, we launched the first generation TAPP 1, and since then we've been working hard to come up with a completely redesigned TAPP 2. It takes only 15 seconds to install, and after this you can forget about carrying heavy, expensive bottles. Just turn on your tap and drink healthy, great tasting water anytime you want. TAPP 2 uses the latest carbon block technology made of 100% coconut shells, which removes over 80 contaminants including chlorine, pesticides and heavy metals, while letting the good minerals remain. It connects with your phone to give you updates on when the cartridges need to be changed and how much money you've saved and the environmental impact. And it is the first biodegradable water filter, so once the cartridge is used, it can be composted, so no plastic waste ends up in our nature and oceans. During the development of the first version, TAPP 1, we tested over 50 existing filters and filtering technologies. Our goal was to create a much better product. We succeeded and have already shipped over 5,000 filters and helping people in more than 20 countries. But we knew we could do much better. TAPP 2 is our next generation of water filters. It's connected, smarter, better filtering and sustainable. So we need your help to achieve our mission with TAPP 2 to reduce plastic waste by 1 billion bottles by 2020. Thank you.